In this video, we are talking about 3 ways to calm your mind in the right way so that you don't have the anxiety the night before the presentation.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you really want to become a confident speaker and a powerful communicator, you can call us on the number to know more about if you are a good fit to join the Confident Speaker Conference, where we show you the tips, the techniques, the methods, the strategies, the mindset, the skill set, the assets that you can use in order to become a confident speaker. Now, in this video, we are talking about 3 ways to calm your mind in the right way so that you don't have the anxiety the night before the presentation. Because I know what happens. Tomorrow I have an important presentation. Oh my God, I'm not getting the sleep, and I spend a lot of time here and there, and then I'm stressed out. And next day when you wake up, you haven't got sleep, and it's not a good thing. And the reason I can tell you this, because I've been through that many times before an important event or workshop or presentations. I used not to get sleep. There are ways that helps me calm down, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 of these ways. Number 1, stop working on your slides at 8 p.m. the night before. See, most people, they're putting the final touches on the PPT, they are doing a little bit more research, they're rehearsing. Then it's 9:30 p.m., then 10 p.m., then 11 p.m., then 1 a.m. and 1:30, and they're like, oh my God, I gotta go, but I'm not getting sleep. Stop working on your technology the night before the presentation. So 8 p.m., if you have a presentation on Tuesday, on Monday at 8 p.m., you switch off your laptop and phone, okay? Because you want to focus. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is slow down your brain. Remember that a restless mind creates a restless body. So if your mind is all the time scattered before a presentation, you're not going to have a very, very focused body. So you're going to feel that anxiety in your body. You're going to be waking up, drinking a little bit of water, a bit of vodka, a bit of this, watch a little video, and before you know, it's already morning. Oh my God, I have a presentation, right? You don't want that. So learn to calm down your mind, and when you come to the Balanced Life Mastermind, we teach you some techniques on how to calm down your mind in a matter of few minutes so that you can sleep peacefully, sleep like a baby.
All of you should come and do this course, because not only you get a chance to meet so many people, mentor so many lovely teams, but also you come out of yourself, you become a better version of yourself, you become more positive. So guys, please come.
And tip number 3 is channelize your anxiety into your personal power by practicing the power of gratitude. That's right, gratitude. When you are grateful, you're not fearful. So maybe the night before, one of the things you can do is practice the gratitude. Feel how grateful you are to have the ability to present tomorrow in front of 250 people or 10 people, whatever that number is, or thousands of people. Feel that gratitude. Oh my God, thank you, thank God that I have an opportunity to give a presentation tomorrow in front of 15 people in the boardroom. It's going to be awesome. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you that tomorrow I get to transform the lives of all the people at the Confident Speaker Conference. Thank you. Thank you that tomorrow I have a client presentation in front of 3 people. Thank you. When you are grateful, it's impossible to be fearful. It's impossible. So these are 3 tips you can use in order to really take your anxiety and turn that into your achievement the night before the presentation. So number 1, remember, no technology after 8 p.m. the night before the presentation. Number 2, calm your mind, calm your body. Number 3, channelize your anxiety into your personal power by the practical practice of the power of gratitude. That was a mouthful, but I did it. So apply these 3 tips and look, these are some good tips, and I'm sure you're going to subscribe to the channel and maybe leave a comment below and share this channel with other people. But if you really want a practical What's the word? Practical transformation. There is no other way than to attend the Confident Speaker Conference. This is the place where we show you exactly how to become a confident speaker, not just confident, but how to have the right voice modulation, the body language, the techniques, the presentation structure. We teach you all of that, and I'm going to be coaching you on stage in front of everybody so that you have the practical transformation right there on the stage, so that the mistakes go and the confidence flows. And if you want that, make sure you call us to discover if you're a right fit for the Confident Speaker Conference. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a